Hello and welcome to our 5G Summit and Global User Congress. We are very glad to meet all of you here, customer, industry leader, analysis, friends from media. All of you, our honorable guests. On behalf of ZTE Corporation, I warmly welcome you, wish you enjoy the wonderful event, and fully exchange knowledge, experience, and vision. Last year, we held this event in Vienna, Austria, and had 48 operators in attendance. This year, as COVID-19 is still going on in many countries, we will hold this event for the first time online. We have prepared a series of topics which range from the technology, 5G network deployment and application, industry development, as well as other technical and business-related content. We hope together we will make this event fruitful for all participants. Year 2020 is quite unique for all of us. Part of the reason is a pandemic. But the pace of 5G commercialization has not stopped, especially not in China, whether it has been accelerating. By the end of September, ZTE reported operation revenue around $11 billion, representing a year-on-year growth of 15%. We invest R&D around $1.6 billion in the first 3 quarters, a year-on-year increase of 15%. Despite the pressure and challenge such as COVID-19, the company actively tapped the potential of the network and industry, maintained stable operation, strengthened R&D invest and innovation, continuously improved customer satisfaction, and further strengthened the company's core competitiveness and advantage in the 5G areas. By the end of September 2020, ZTE have secured 55 5G commercial contracts and cooperated with over 19 global operators on 5G. Together with over 500 industry partners, we are exploring the industrial application of 5G. As mentioned in Dell Orwell's recently report on the global wireless telecommunication market, the global RAN market reached $9.4 billion in Q2 this year, with 20% year-on-year growth. Pushed by Chinese domestic market, ZTE took 30% of the global Q2 RAN shipment. 2019 is the first year for 5G commercialization in China. Over 619,000 5G sites have been implemented by the end of September. There are over 160 million 5G connections in China, ranked #1 globally. At the same time, the big 3 operators are consistently accelerating the 5G SA commercialization in a big scale, actively exploiting vertical industry application. 5G in China will cost $165 billion for the overall construction cycle, which is 50% more than 4G's investment. In the next 5 years, 5G is expecting to drive $3.6 trillion value from various industries. And in this network, ZTE market share is more than 30%. We supply commercial 5G equipment to over 350 cities in the key area of Tier 1 cities like Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen. We realize seamless Gbps plus level coverage. There is no doubt that Chinese market contributes the company's revenue, but we pay more attention to the market's innovation source and huge industrial influence. As a leading supplier in the Chinese 5G market, the complexity and huge requirement in this market keep us leading the industry in terms of product portfolio, large-scale development, and product performance. We also continually innovation, provide the products and solution portfolio to match the different overseas market requirement. In addition, Chinese market is also playing a huge influence on the global 5G industry. All human beings belonging to a community of shared destiny, just like fighting with the COVID-19 pandemic. Technical knows no borders. All of them are promoting the innovation and rapid development of global information and communication industry, benefiting the whole human society. The large-scale 5G network construction system practice and industry application practice in China market can also provide reference for all whole industry. With the large-scale commercial development of 5G in both China and global market, we have never stopped innovation and always been committed to deliver the best cost efficiency for a full scenario application in network construction, continuous improvement of network performance, better energy efficiency, and satisfaction of the industry personalized requirement. ZTE has put forward many industry-first innovation solutions. Our microservice-based common core unified access to 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G RAN. On the RAN side, new solutions such as SSB 1+X, EDAS, Super DSS, FAST, Power Pilot, PRB, hard slicing the air interface, all of them improve the coverage, spectrum efficiency, and energy efficiency, as well as capability to support the industry application. In the field of wireline product, ZTE and our customer together push for 5G bearing technology based on flexible Ethernet network. This guarantees the determinacy and ultra latency in 5G URLC scenario. Flex shaping algorithm cluster maximize the performance of optical transmission network, reducing the difficult and the cost of beyond 100G deployment. All of these can effectively help operators improve their network competitiveness, expand market, increase revenue, and reduce TCO. We will constantly contribute more innovation products and solutions to help operators win the 5G era. In addition to providing C-end consumer with an ultra-fast, rich, and pleasant experience, 5G should also meet a need of a wide range industries, bring comprehensive and profound changes. Top difference between 2B and 2C businesses are the strong requirement related to fragmentation and cloud network integration. Different industry and application fields have different customized requirements on a connect network, edge and cloud computing, and up-level application. This is a new challenge for the traditionally mobile operators. Large-scale 5G commercial market leading by China has entered the deep water for industry application exploitation. In the process of exploring 5G industry innovation, we believe that the core competitiveness of cloud network infrastructure service is variable-driven, precise triggering the industry engine, and providing tailor-made digital transformation solution. Therefore, we propose the Precision Cloud Network comprehensive solution, aiming the focus on application scenario to realize the cloud on demand and the network cloud synergy. The core concept of distributed precision cloud including, first, to realize the on-demand cloud by blocking building smart particles and decoupled service component. The other is that PaaS and IaaS both support ultra-lightweight solutions starting from one node, support agile innovation and rapid update. Deterministic precision network first distinguish user, server, and location, and then optical allocate the wireless and wireline network resource. It also provides multiple QS and end-to-end slicing service level agreement guarantee required by industry scenario. So far, we have more than 500 industry partners in 15 industries, including manufacturing, education, healthcare, culture, tourism, medical, transportation, port, environmental protection, and energy. Together, we have explored 186 innovation industry 5G application scenario and implemented 60 projects. Accumulate precious experience of 5G business model innovation. As some example, in Nanjing, 5G is applied to product 5G in our own smart factory. In the seaport of Belarus and Tianjin, 5G plus smart campus is saving cost and time. 5G plus hologram technology bring each other closer. 5G plus live TV let everybody be their own director. 5G makes the mining industry safer and easier than ever. 5G plus machine vision protects the environment and saves the home of honeybee in Austria. Hospitals in China and Thailand are using our 5G to improve their medical efficiency, fighting against the pandemic. We worked with car makers to realize self-driving on the 5G network. Besides, we realized more 5G-based systems like smart stadium, smart education, smart grid, smart tourism, and so forth. As communication technology evolves from generation to generation, core competitiveness is a key, continuously leading the technology and long-term strategical support for customers. Among them, patents, chips, algorithm, and architecture are the four cornerstones. We hold over 2,500 ETSI 5G standard essential patents, ranked top 3 companies in the world. We have over 40 leadership positions in different standard organizations. In communication chipset, ZTE has accumulated 24 years of R&D experience, achieving independent development and design of more than 100 different kinds of chipset, covering all kinds of products of communication network. Relying on our advantage OEM factories, the 5G products carries 7 nanometer chipset have been delivered and commercialized on a large scale. The next generation chips is in the process of developing and is progressing smoothly. Algorithms are the soul of the software, whether it's an MMO, spectrum sharing, energy saving, or smart AI. We have formed a lot of accumulation and innovation. Architecture is a core which probably affects our several generation products. In a RAN side, from the earliest chimney architecture of different products with different standards, to the SDR platform architecture based on software-defined multi-standards and unified hardware, now to the current IT BBU based on light Microsoft architecture. We are the first in the industry to think the intelligent feature down to the base station. It is oriented the application of the future industry or edge computing scenario. Moreover, it is flexibly support open network capability, and agile innovation. Core network is completely based on cloud-native SBA architecture, convergent access of 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G network, function on demand flexibly, smart deployment, or end-to-end slicing function. 5G is like a beautiful symphony. It requires all of the performance to work together in a harmony to achieve a single goal. ZTE is one of the performers, contributing innovation and value creation to our customer. We are looking forward to working closely with you in a 5G ecosystem. So, once again, we are happy to have all of you in the online event. Please enjoy it. Thank you.